Today is August 29th, 2013. We're in Santa Ana, California at the headquarters of Pure Aqua, and we've completed and we're going to ship very shortly a water treatment system to South America. The water primarily is intended, or the product water is primarily intended for boiler feed, and I want to begin with the process of the feed pump and also the filter backwash pump. The feed pump delivers water to the multimedia filters, of which there are two here that will operate in parallel. And subsequent to the multimedia filters, we'll have water going to both reverse osmosis and to a potable water skid that we'll discuss later. The reverse osmosis skid here is actually two reverse osmosis systems, independent and in parallel. They can be operated at the same time or one at a time, and each one is capable of producing approximately 100,000 gallons per day. The product water from the reverse osmosis will go to electro-deionization skid, which we have over here. This is a good time too to mention that all these skids are connected by remote I/O. There's one HMI interface panel and programmable area here, and then we have the remote IOs on the other equipment. The EDI system over here will take RO permeate. There's also a degassing membrane on the EDI skid that enhances the quality of water that the EDI will produce. It's expected the EDI product water will be about 10 mega ohms. I mentioned that when we are after the multimedia filter, we send water to the reverse osmosis system, also to a potable water skid that will pump the filtrate from the multimedia filters through a sediment cartridge, a carbon filter, a UV disinfection step, and then finally a pressure tank that will be used to deliver water to living quarters. We also have a transfer pump skid here that will be used to transfer the product water from the EDI to the boiler. And then lastly, we have an oil water separation skid that's a separate process from what we just talked about. And on this skid here, they'll be treating wastewater, whereby the water will be separated and then pumped to separate tanks and disposed of accordingly. Lastly, we've got a clean in place skid. This is the solution tank, and here we have our filtration step, as well as a pump to deliver solution to the RO system, and the solution will be circulated from and back to the tank.